Yeah.
So, I mean, apart from this, there's nothing major.
Okay.
Alright?
All right.
It's
How
not
much
really
do I owe
affected
you?
by food.
What, hon?
It's not really affected by food, so you can take it, if you have a sensitive food, you can take it out for food, but it's not necessary.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Alright, come on, get your pinky pinky boo. Take your pinky. There you go. Good girl.
And it comes also with a leaflet here. There's some information given. If you have any questions about anything that is given, just give me a call, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
This is the leaflet right here.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You too. Now, did my insurance cover any of this?